Assalamualaikum. I am Radin Arini from Group 5 and I will explain to you about our group case study. So our group is required to purpose project of Kangnam Hotel using cable network for first floor and wireless network at ground floor. So we are required to set up one LAN with 5 hosts of PC which is using cable in the first floor, connect via hub, and 10 host laptop which is using wireless via LAN access point at the ground floor. So all the hosts between first floor and ground floor are shared one link as backbone. So we are need one router and one access point which are connect to one LAN hub. So last we are need to have one web server whereby all the hosts are connect to the server.
Assalamualaikum. So today I would like to talk about a type of network topology that I use in my project. So as we all can see, based on the diagram, I choose star topology to do that. This is because star topology is less expensive than mesh topology. It also, each device needs only one link and one input-output port to connect to any number of others. It's easy to install and reconfigure. It is very easy to install and manage the star network topology. It's also less cabling and robust. Robust is the ability of computer system to cope with error during execution and cope with erroneous input. And finally, it's easy fault identification and isolation. So, thank you for listening my presentation.
Hello, hi, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for my part, I will design the Kangnam Hotel LAN. Okay, first we need web server. Okay, and next we need switch. So I choose 2960/24TP switch. Okay. And we connect like that. Okay. After we connect server and switch, we must do the IP configuration. Okay, the IP configuration will be like this. Okay, the IP configuration will do like this, and then we go to the services, turn to the HTTP. Okay, and then we change this to full one, so 192.168.2.1, 192.168.2.10. So we can see this together, and then we add and save. Next, we add one more pool. Okay, we add and save, and we turn it on. Okay, next we will add one router. I will choose the router PT. Okay, then we connect to this. Okay, and then we will add hub because we want to connect to the 5 more PC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then we connect it all to the hub like that. we just follow the case study because it stated that at the first floor we must have 5 PC that connected with a cable. Okay, like that. And then we will connect hub to the next we will add another switch, but we will use PT switch for the ground floor. Okay, for the ground floor, the case study state that they want one access point for the 10 laptops. Okay, and then we add 10 laptops. Okay, we put 10 laptops. Okay, we will connect it. Oh, I forgot. Wait. We need to remove the slot that we did not use. Okay, for this project we will use fast Ethernet, so the fiber, the unuseful slot will be taken out. So we just add fast Ethernet slot. Okay. And the remaining slot we can close it by the cover like that. Okay, don't forget to turn it on. Okay, like that. Right. Okay, after that we need to connect all of 10 laptops to the access point. So we need our access point. So I choose this access point. Okay, connect with that, and then we must configure it first. So we will rename it as Kangnam Hotel Wi-Fi. Okay, and the SSID will be the same, Kangnam Hotel Wi-Fi. Channel we will change to 11. The range we change it to 300 meter. So, and we change it to WPA to PSK. The password will be 12345678, and okay, it has turned on. Okay, next, each of the laptop we must add Linkist WPC 300N module. It acts as a wireless interface suitable for connection to wireless network, so it is important for the laptop to connect to the internet. Okay, after that we must turn it on. We go to the PC wireless and we will connect to the Kangnam Hotel Wi-Fi. So we add we connect and put the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it will be like this. Yeah, it means that the laptop had been connected to the access point, and we will do the same thing to the all-time laptop. We connect all the laptops to the access point. Next, we go to the router for the setting the IP address. Okay, for the first Ethernet 0/0, we use 192.168.1.1 and turn it on. Okay, and next, for the first Ethernet 1/0, we use 192.168.2.1. Okay, we turn it on like that. And one more. And first Ethernet 2/0, we used 192.168.3.1. So and we turn it on. Okay. We just add the what we can see here, all the cable give a green light. It means all are connected and can be operate smoothly. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. You can see all of the cable are shown the green light. It means that between the PC, the hub, the router, and all the end device are connected and can be transfer their data smoothly. And we also can add the box so that we can differentiate the first floor and the ground floor. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
The cable that we choose to be used is unshielded twisted pair UTP cable. It is widely used in the computer and telecommunication industry as Ethernet cables and telephone wires. We choose this cable because it is cheaper than shielded twisted pair STP cable and does not require as much maintenance since it does not rely on an outer shield and can transmit data as fast as STP cable. The advantages of UTP cable: it is smaller in size, hence installation is easier as it does not fill up wiring ducts. It is less expensive compared to other networking media types. It is thin and flexible, which further makes installation easier. And UTP cables are used in most of the networking architecture. The disadvantages of UTP cable: it is susceptible to radio frequency interference, RFI, and electromagnetic interference EMI, such as its caused from the microwave, and there is a lot of electromagnetic noise that needs to be cancelled, and interference than other form of cable. It can be used up to cable segment lengths of about 100 meters only. And lastly, in copper cables, the signal length is usually shorter in UTP, with STP being able to carry it over longer distances. Assalamualaikum, I am Siti Noaila from Group 5. So I am going to present to you about the transmission media that we use for this project and also the cost for this project. So basically the budget that provided for this project is 50,000 ringgit. So let's move on to the personal computer. So the personal computer that we use is HP Pavilion All-in-One 23Q139D. The price per unit for this personal computer is 3,299 ringgit, and the number of unit that we use is 5, and for overall total price for personal computer is 16,495 ringgit. So next one is laptop. So the model laptop that we use is Dell Inspiron 153000. So the price per unit for this laptop is 2,499 ringgit, and the number of unit that we are using is 10 laptops. So for overall total price is 24,990 ringgit. So let's move on to switch. So the model for switch that we use is TP-Link T1600G 52TS TLSD2452 Jetstream 48 port gigabit smart switch with 4 SFP slots. So the price per unit for this switch is 1,899 ringgit. We are using 2 switch for this project, and overall total price for this switch is 3,798 ringgit. Okay, and next one is router. The model that we use for our router is Asus RT AC66U B1 AC1750 dual band Wi-Fi router. So the price per unit for this router is 416 ringgit and 2 cents. So we only using one router for our project, and so for overall total price for our router is only 416 ringgit and 2 cents. And also for access point, we are using a model D-Link Wireless and Access Point DAP1360. So the price per unit for our access point is only 109 ringgit. So we only using one access point for our project, and so the overall total price is only 109 ringgit. Okay, next server. We are using a model Dell PowerEdge T30 tower server. So the price per unit for our server is 2,759 ringgit, and the number of unit that we use is only 1, and overall total price for our server is 2,795 ringgit. So let's move on to cable. We are using UTP cable. So the model that we use is ProLink C86 UTP LAN cable, which is 305 meter. So the price per unit for this cable is 350 ringgit, and we are using 2 units. So overall total price for this cable is 630 ringgit. So for hub, we are using model Seagate Backup Plus hub. So the price per unit for this hub is 578 ringgit, and we are using one hub on our project. So for overall total price for our hub is 578 ringgit. So overall money that we use is only 49,775 ringgit and 2 cents.